I have already ripped out my thinking map from yesterday that says in summer. I have my 1, 2, 3 already written on my paper. So if you would like to pause the video and put those on your paper as well, maybe you already wrote your 1, 2, 3. Maybe because we have 3 sentences, and that's what our thinking map helps us do, helps us get ready, keeps us organized, and helps us get prepared. Now I'm prepared. I have my name. Do you have your name? All right, here we go. So the first sentence, we're going to start right at the top. This is just like everything else that we've been doing for our seasons. In summer, read it with me, okay? Here we go. In summer, I see sun and waves. If you wrote the same thing on your map that we did, then you will copy exactly what we wrote. Now, if you wrote some different words, make sure you copy your own words, okay? Capital I for the beginning of a sentence. In. I was just thinking of I, that's why I said I. Now, I'm actually going to make mine green today, just at the beginning, just to help me remember that I did it, okay? If that helps you, that's fine for you to do, okay? In summer, okay, notice how I have my lowercase letters underneath that bumpy line. I talked about that last time. In summer, I see capital I for me. I'm an important person, so are you. So when you write about yourself, that always has to be capital. I see sun and waves. Now again, I know I'm going a little bit fast, but that's just so that our video is not super long. So you can pause me and then come back after you're done writing. Period. Okay, so if you're not done, pause it and go back and finish up that sentence. You've got a red period at the end. That means stop and double checking my finger spaces. Let's make sure that none of my words are squished together. Nope, they look perfecto. Okay, there we go. All right, now that's our sentence number 1. Sentence number 2. Now remember, I'm not going to write it again because we already know that we're in the summertime. So I'm just going to go here. I wear sunglasses and flip-flops. Maybe you wrote that you wear something different. Okay, you don't have to write the same thing that I wrote. I wonder what you wrote. I would love to know. Okay, I have plenty of room right there to write my I, but not where. So I'm going to come down here. I wear sunglasses. Sun, I know how to spell that because I just spelled it over here. Sunglasses. My digger for my G is going to go underneath the grass right there. I wear sunglasses and need to come down here. Can't squeeze it over there. And flip-flops. It's kind of a long word. Oh, that's a compound word. Remember I talked about 2 words together, flip and then flop together. 2 words together, that's a compound word. Okay, let's see. I wear sunglasses and flip-flops. Okay, period. Red, let's make it red. And we have our green at the beginning. There we go, nice job. And let's make sure that all of my words are separated by finger spaces. I can see them right there, looking good. All right, so that's sentence number 2. I did sentence number 1, I did sentence number 2, and I bet you know what I'm gonna say for sentence number 3. If you said that I'm gonna have you do it by yourself, you are right, because you can do it now. You're getting better and better and smarter every day. So you're going to write, I like to, and then whatever you wrote down here, you're going to use these words that are on your map over here for your writing. So if you wrote the same thing we did, we wrote, I like to swim and play outside. Okay, so remember that's a compound word, so those have to be together. It's all one word. Okay, out and side together makes outside. Okay, so if you're doing that one, just like we are, you will write yours. I will write mine. And then I want you to go check your 5 stars. Okay, you can go do that, and then you can watch me check mine when we come back. And we'll be back in a snap. Okay, I finished my third sentence. I'm going to show you what I did right here because I didn't have room. I had to squeeze my last word in there. I had a lot on my map today. Thank you, Thinking Map. You were super helpful today. I'm so glad that we did that and we had that extra help. All right, let me show you what I had to do down here. See, I like to swim and play. And then I was like, I don't have room. I was going to have a word waterfall. So I had to come down here, even though there's no space right there. But I have a little bit of room right there for outside. So if you haven't done yours yet and you write kind of big like me, then I guess you could squeeze yours in there too somewhere. Okay, you could always do it on the back. See, the back has lots of space too. So if you get stuck, you could always move to the back. All right, let's take a look at my writing, and you can help me write along with me here and see if I did it correctly. So we have capitals. Well, we had 3 sentences. We should have 3 capitals, and I see them. 1, 2, 3. All right, and I'm going to get a check. Did you have capitals? Did you have 3 capitals? Did you get a star? I hope so. I hope you have a check right there. And did you make sure that your words were not squished together like mine? Did you do finger spaces? All right. I hope so. If you did, you probably got a check. If you haven't done it yet, do that now and give yourself a check. Our punctuation, all right, that's our periods at the end, okay? And we had 3 sentences and we had 3 periods. So, yep, I did that. Check. And my neat writing, I was so careful. I did my diggers with my little tails underneath the grass. And I went nice and tall with my capitals all the way to the sky. And I stayed under the bumpy line. Yep, with all of those letters that I needed to stay under the bumpy line with my lowercase letters. So I get a check for my neat handwriting. Did you do a good job with your neat handwriting? I hope so. I hope you have a check. And then, does it make sense? Oh, my favorite part. Okay, now remember what I said. Mrs. Schmidt has to read hers, and you have to read yours. Okay. So why don't you follow along with your eyes while I read mine, okay? Here we go. In summer, I see sun and waves. I wear sunglasses and flip-flops. I like to swim and play outside. That is a lot of writing. I am so proud of myself. Did you do that much writing today too? Oh, all right. It makes sense. Yep, we're talking about all those things we like to do in summer. Check. All right, I'm going to go draw my picture. You're going to go draw your picture, and we will be back in a snap. And here is my picture. All right, there I am. I'm in my swimsuit. I have on my flip-flops, my sunglasses, and I'm getting ready to chase after that ball that's out here in the waves. That's a pretty big ball. Maybe I should have drawn it a little smaller. It's really big. It's almost as big as my little sailboat. Okay, well. And then I have a little umbrella over here in the sand. And it's a very sunny day because in summertime, it's very sunny. And the clouds are out. Oh, it's a beautiful day. I'm having so much fun outside. All right, how does your picture look? Yours probably looks better than Mr. Schmidt's big, huge ball, right? My big, huge beach ball. All right, today I had fun. I hope you had fun. Good job on your writing today about summer, guys. Keep being awesome.